The minute I had my first love story, I started looking for you, not knowing how blind I was. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They are in each other all along. For this reason, a man leaves his father and mother and is joined to his wife, and the two are united into one. This Saturday, the 22nd of August, Jeremy Nyabayo Orenge and Marceline Kirubo have the pleasure to invite you to their pre-wedding party to take place at 1211 Furnish Drive in Arlington, Texas, Metro Community SDA Church, along Center Street, near Cowboy Stadium, this Saturday as from 7 to 4 a.m. on 22nd of August. Save the day. Come one, come all.